Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use ChatGPT to draft partnership emails or any collaboration with any brands. So let's get started with the video. So basically in ChatGPT, you need to give the prompt related to your brand. So I have created one draft prompt over here. I run a skincare brand and want to collaborate with beauty influencer for Instagram promotion. Can you draft an email pitch introducing my brand and proposing a paid partnership? And you can write this prompt and give it to ChatGPT. It will start generating a pitch for you, which you can send. What you need to do is you need to make changes to this square bracket things that is written. You can copy this particular pitch over here, and post copying, what you can do, you can open Word over here, you can open it. So here in Word, you have particularly pasted it. Where you need to make changes is where you see the square brackets, your brand name. That means you have to write your brand name, the influencer first name, your brand name, basically your name. So you have to make the changes over in the square bracket according to your brand details. Here at the end, you need to write these four things: your full name, your brand name, website or Instagram handle, and contact info. Post making these changes, you can send the email. Now for the follow up, what you can do, you now want to follow up to for that particular thing to that particular influencer. So you can give another prompt, that is, could you please create a follow up pitch or email. So as you can see, it started creating the follow up. The subject is also mentioned for the email, and here you can see everything has been given. So again, you can make the edit and changes over here. So if the tutorial is helpful, please like and subscribe.